What's up, everyone? Sky High Pyro here, coming at you with a store tour in Mount Pleasant, PA. This is 5-Star Fireworks, and the owners were very kind to allow me to do this, so let's go check it out. First off, we got some bottle rockets here, sparklers, regular rockets, assortment packs, buy one get one free. A lot of cool deals throughout this store. Some Roman candles. Check out some of the different assortments there. Some Black Cat, Phantom. A couple different brands. Got some 200-gram cakes over here. A lot of Black Cat, Phantom fireworks, and Fox brand fireworks in this store. Bling Bling's a good one. So over here we got some torpedo cracker snaps. Some more snaps. Those are always pretty fun. Check out some of the party poppers. Parachute items over here. I actually picked up a couple parachute items myself. I went ahead and picked up these color smoke parachutes there. Moving over to some firecrackers. Got the Wolfpack firecrackers. M98s. Silver salutes. As well as some Black Cat firecrackers. I do like these a lot. Pretty good. Here we got some Saturn missile batteries. Those are always fun to light off. Very noisy though. Some more miscellaneous stuff there. Over here, a few more 200-gram fireworks. Now we're over to the 500-gram fireworks. Hopefully I'm not moving too fast for you here. I know I'm trying not to keep this video too long for you. Over here, some 96-shot pearls. 25-shot Saturn missile battery for $2. Great to see that. Some other fun stuff down there. Here's a good look at some more 500-gram case. Got highfalutin, that's a great one. Lit a lot of those off. As well as Hit the Road Jack, that's another great one. Classic by Brothers. Some Mega Banger brand. Got Winda brand, and then we also got some smoke items over here. A little assortment pack. Back over to the 500-gram cakes. Iron Man brand. Some more Brothers, Phantom Fireworks, Mega Banger, Phantomonium. Heading over here, got Komodo 3000, Flying Saucer by Black Cat. Bunch more Brothers products over here. Okay, now over to the ball shells and canister shells. Some Phantom Fireworks here, and Boom Shakalaka by Mega Banger are pretty good. I like these a lot. So far, so good. A lot of great stuff. And then we got the zombie blasters. I absolutely like these a lot. Some canister shells over here. Nishiki effect, those are pretty cool. Pretty good variety here. It's not the biggest store in the world, but it has a ton of variety, good deals in here. Here's some more for you. Here's the big packs of the canisters. Some lock and loaded, those are great. Continuum's a good brand by Pirate Planet. Good product. Diablo shells, those are always great by Black Cat. Carry a huge variety of these. This is great. Some big assortment here. The Godfather, pretty cool. Some more shells. Just a couple assortments. More canister shells. Black Mambas are cool. Nice TV up there to show you. You could scan the barcode of the products to see what they do. Here over to the King of the Block assortment. Some more assortments. Buy one, get one free there on some shells. Buy one, get two free, actually. Now over to all the fountain fireworks. If you enjoy that. Overall, it's a really great store. I suggest you stop in if you're ever in the area in Mount Pleasant, PA. 5-star fireworks. Had a 5-star experience. They were super helpful, great to talk to. I appreciate the time, and like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and let me know how I can improve. Thanks for watching.